Now I am able to see. Okay, Ganesh, it looks precise. Okay, it is, who is this? ME005? Take it near. CH017. Take it near. Ganesh, it's fine. CV005. You can switch off your camera. Okay. CH005. Rotate it. Okay. Make it near. Take it near. Two lines are missing. Same ME005, two lines, one line is missing. Find it out. What is it? CH003. Take it near. Much near. It seems okay. CH006. Okay. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Who is this? ME007. It's correct. Wait a second. It's not correct. Just the small mistake is there. Check it out. What is that? I'll just share it in a moment. And this CH023 is very wrong. Find out what is the mistake. Okay. Okay. Now I'll show you the solution. So it will be like this. As I told you previously, few things are missing that we will write down. Because missing things are here. We will have one dotted line like this. Clear? And then precisely if you are there, then center line should be mentioned like this. Same way here also. Sorry. So that everyone can understand that it is a center. Okay, now draw the top view fast. You check your own answer with whatever is given. Everyone have habit to take a screenshot as soon as I show you the problem, so that if you can do it later on also. Make it fast. It is lot easier. You are CV005. You are missing one line. One line you are missing. There is a CH013. Please rotate. I am seeing it inverted. Rotate 180 degree. No, it is wrong. Actually, this white, see what you have shown this, it is not precise. I will make the original problem again and bring out it. Now, chalo, uh, we can, you are also missing one line. Neil, please recorrect this left border. Now see the picture. Priyanshi, again, please correct it. CH025, I am not able to see it. CH003, there is one line missing. ME007, also one line missing. Now show me from some distance. ME007. Just take your camera upward. Okay, okay. Just take it leftward. Still bit. If you draw that projection from top front view, you will get one line. Okay, more or less everyone is getting correct. Let us see the answer now. Okay. Here is the line which I was talking about. This line. Because you are having a solid edge here. Na? The shape is getting changed. This is solid. This is solid edge. The color is same, that's why you are not able to see. Otherwise, see projection wise, this is the edge corner. So that will be visible here by this line. Everything else is correct for everyone. Okay, now draw the side view first. Draw the side view. चलो साइड व्यू दिखाओ फटाफट. Fast show me. See here it is straight line only like this. This is just that picture came here. That's why it is like this only. चलो फटाफट ड्रॉ करो और दिखाओ। कोई दिखा रहा है तो नंबर बोलो तो मैं ढूंढूं।
CV003.
Okay, wait a minute. CVV005. I am able to see. Okay, that is correct. CH025, take it near. CV005, that is correct.
Sir, CS02.
CV003, please check, it is not correct. ME005, take it near. CH004, Deacon. There is minor mistake in this, minor. Find it out. CH012, it is not correct. There are minor mistakes. Mm, yeah, CH021 Raj is correct. ME005 correct.
CS025.
I'm not able to see. Okay. CH013 seems correct.
ME007.
Yeah, it's correct. No, that is ME007. That is minor mistake. Now just see if you draw the extend the projection of those two holes on the platform, it is not up to the bottom. See your projections if you draw from left to right. Are you getting me what I am telling you? Those two holes which are on platform are in air. It is not up to the floor. Just see carefully.
Okay, sir.
Anyone else? Okay, I'll show the answer now. Check your answer here. Okay. So this is more precise front view. Okay. This is, but we will have one this line over here that we will recorrect. Okay, so there are some errors that we will correct now. First one is that you need to here will be the line. This solid edge will be visible here. Same way you need to show the center like this. Then this will be dotted one. This will be dotted one. Clear? And one more thing is that this line goes till bottom edge here, so it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this because this line goes and touches the ground, so here also it should touch the ground. Clear? And one more thing is that it will be visible here like this with dotted line. This bottom edge will be visible here with dotted line. Clear? There will be dotted line here as well. Okay. Now this is correct. You check your answers with this. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This we will see rather than I'll just show you. Draw for this. First of all, everyone take the snapshot of this much. Everyone take the snapshot of this much screenshot. Because I need to stop sharing for a moment. Okay, show me. It seems correct. Okay, next. Anyone else? Z 005 is correct. Anyone else?
007. Emmy.
Yep. It seems okay. ME 00 Who is this CH013? That is not correct. If you see from front, you won't be able to see the offsets in perpendicular direction. You won't be able to see this offset. If you see it from perpendicular distance, now what I give you example. Now, okay. Now stop sharing everyone. I will.
सर इसमें फ्रंट व्यू और साइड व्यू सेम ही होगा.
Okay, see. Now exactly in from front view, just assume you are seeing it is my both hands in front view. My which hand is towards the screen and which one is toward away from screen? Can you answer?
No.
CH013.
No, sir.
Okay, I will change my position
No, sir.
now. It is not possible. See, from front top view it is different, but from front view you can't see. You see single line only, though there is offset. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So in EG, you have all the tools available to you. You can practice it that let me do it this way, that way, and you can easily understand. Okay. So now we will see. This is the top view. Understand? Got it, everyone? This is very unique problem. You better take screenshot of this one. Take screenshot of this one. Then I will show you answer. This is the answer. Clear?
Side view, same view, same effect. Front view.
Okay. Now we will move over to next topic.
सर इसमें साइड व्यू नहीं करना है.
Nah,
Side view, front view, same effect.
no.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now read the problem statement. Now we are switching over to projection of line again. Top view of a 75 mm long line CD measures this much. C distance is given. D is also given. Okay. Draw the projection of CD and find the angle. Okay. So what is given? First of all, we'll prepare our box. Is this given? First one.
75 mm. True
Very
length.
good. Very good. This is 75. Then is this given? Is this given? Yes or no? Fast. Is this given or not? It is not given. You are told to draw the projection. It is not given. Then theta. Theta is given?
No.
No. Alpha is given?
No.
No. Top view is given?
Yes.
How much?
50.
50.
50. 50.
Which 50? This 50. First 50. Okay. Then phi is given? Not given. Beta is given? Not given.
Not given.
This needs to be found. Okay. Then C point is given? C location?
Yes.
It is given partially. It is not, its location, exact location is not given. C as well as D. Okay, sorry, my mistake. C is completely given in HP and this much
Yeah.
away from VP. Whereas D is given partially.
Yes.
D, its location from only one plane is given, whereas in other just direction is given, that it is above. That's it. So it is partially given, not fully. So we need to solve. First of all, what you do is, first of all, you write down this problem clearly, because this is there in your sheet. You need to draw this in your sheet and sketchbook. Right now you may draw it in sketchbook if feasible, but you write this down first. Then I will show you how to solve this. Okay. What is the first step after this, preparing this box? What is the first step?
Draw axis.
Draw the line XY. Yes. Then full information, which full information is given? First of all, you identify that.
True length.
True length is given, but where you will draw true length? It is not, true length is one dimension. It is not exact information. Understand? One more thing, we will write it down here, VP, and here HP. We will write this down. Clear? Now what is the next step? Full information is given.
C point.
C point.
C
Where it is?
point.
It is in HP. So it will be somewhere here. And it is 50 mm for VP. So it will be 50 mm. So somewhere here. And somewhere here. Got it? We'll see exact location in solution. Okay. See, one standing line is drawn for reference. Now this is the point C. It will be seen in HP in which view? Front view. Understand? So that is C dash. And its top view, we will be able to see like this. Okay, 50 mm away. Clear up to this? Clear? Point C location.
Yes.
Now what we can do next? Which location, which is somewhat clear information? Anyone? Just think what we can do next. We can do this. We can do this.
50 mm.
What it is given? It is given that and D is 15 mm in front of VP. So if this is 15 mm, then it can be anywhere here. Am I correct? We don't know exactly where it is with respect to HP, but with respect to VP, we know it is 15 mm. So it will be 15 mm away from this line, anywhere here. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
now what? Now your one full information is there to get the point D. What is that? Think everyone. Huh?
डी पॉइंट तो एचपी के ऊपर है ना, अबोव एचपी है डी पॉइंट।
हाँ, सो अबव एचपी है तो वो फ्रंट व्यू में दिखेगा, ऊपर वो मालूम ही नहीं है अपने को। इट विल बी एनीवेयर हियर, दैट इफ इट इज हियर अबव एचपी हो गया कि नहीं हो गया?
यस सर, यस।
We are right now we are dealing with VP, these thing. What is the next? What other better information is with you? अरे सब सामने है, जरा जरा सोचो तो सही, क्या बेटर इंफॉर्मेशन है अभी नेक्स्ट अवेलेबल?
टॉप व्यू सर।
नो टॉप व्यू, ट्रू लेंथ। Fine. So now we will put compass here and we will mark on arc here. So that will give us CD point, and that will be 75. Am I correct or not? Are you getting?
No, sir.
Array dear. D ka location we can find using these two values together. We can find value of D using these 2 points together. Okay. One thing is that D is 15 mm away from VP. So it can be anywhere here. These all points are 15 mm away. But we know the CD length is how much? 75. So that can happen only one point, at one point. So this will become true length. Understand or not? Understand or not? Let us see solution. You may get it. So what we did see here, horizontal line is marked here. दिख रहा है सबको?
1.5 meter away.
These 15 mm offset is दिख रहा है सबको?
15 mm below.
यस सर।
It is not 15 mm below, it is 15 mm in front of HVP. So that in front of or something or that we can see in horizontal plane, the top view only, we will be able to see whether it is how much distance it is in front or behind. Are you getting me? So this becomes the locus of D. Got it or not? अरे भाई समझ में आ रहा है तो हाँ बोलो, नहीं आ रहा है तो ना बोलो, दोनों में से एक तो होगा ना कुछ।
यस सर।
तो फिर कितनी बार बोलूं मैं? एक एक चीज 5-5 7-7 बार थोड़ी ना पूछनी होती है। मैं अभी see I am asking repeatedly, are you getting, then later on don't ask me at all. सबको समझ में आया how this line came?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because it is written that it is 15 mm in front of VP. Understand? So in front or behind VP, that we can see only in top view. So this plane is showing actually the top view, na? And this plane will show us front view. So in top view only we will be able to see the distance from vertical plane. Got it? Let us see what is the next. So now we know the true length 75 mm. So it can cut here. Okay, so we can get this D point. Understood or not?
Yes.
That is how we got this D point. Now again match it with your definition. D point is 15 mm away हो गया VP से और CD line भी 75 mm हो गई. समझ में आया?
Yes.
Okay, see what is next. So now what is this? D1. Understand? Clear? इतना समझ में आया?
सर वो D1 वाला
Sorry?
वो टोटल लेंथ
टोटल लेंथ तो कहीं है ही नहीं. See, I will explain you again. You understand? It was given that point D is 15 mm away. Clear? So this is 15 mm. Now we know whether point is inclined or not. If it is inclined, then it can travel in that straight line only that we have seen earlier.
Yes, sir.
So the true length, true point D1 and top view point D, both will lie on the same line. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
You are given both the value here. You are given both values. Top view is also given, true length is also given. So what you will do? First of all,
Yes, sir.
you will measure 50 mm. Take the compass 15 mm and draw one arc here. So this point will be your D, and that line joining, sorry, that line joining this to this will be your top view.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you are given true length. So we will measure 75 mm on compass. We'll put one compass here and we'll cut one 75 mm arc somewhere here. Understand? So this is your top view and this is your true length.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Now you can easily draw projections upward.
2 more minutes. Let's if someone is there, let them join. People are still coming. Chemical people are coming.
Understand? समझ
Yes.
में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will drop.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
I will drop these writings. Okay, so CD will be your top view, and this CD1 will be your true length. Now we will draw projection upwards. So this is this length will be our length of front view. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You will measure this much distance and draw an arc on this, because we know projection you can do it two way. If you have one projection, then the directly perpendicular line to the other section will be the projection, or you can do the arc way also. Understand? So you got the CD dash, and again you are having true length with you, and locus will be this horizontal line only. Locus will be this line only. Understand? This is it. It is already given. So I will rub. So you will get D1 dash also. So you got your front view here, got your top view here,
I
which,
think we
which was
should
given
start
only.
now. So we will start. Okay, everyone, get ready with your pen and notebook. Your pencil or whatever in your notebook.
Is it visible now?
No.
It's not visible.
Visible, visible.
Okay, fine. So you got your front view, you had your top view. So now the remaining angles are told to be found. What are those angles? This angle will be this
Theta.
angle will be very good, theta. This angle will be
Alpha.
alpha, very good. This angle will be
Phi.
Phi.
phi, and this angle will be
Beta.
beta. You got everything. Now, if I add to the question, then tell me the precise location of D. You can do that also. You can do that only. Can you answer me? What is the location of D? Most of the answer is given already in your question only. Point D is 15 mm in front of VP and is above HP. So how much it is above HP, that you need to answer me. This much it is above HP. Clear or not? Is it clear to everyone?
Sir 55 आया.
जो भी
55
आया.
mm.
Very good. Everyone has got same answer. Then it is mostly it is possible that everyone is correct. It is hardly happens that everyone got same and they got incorrect. Understand? So you got alpha, beta, theta, phi, as well as you got the location of D. You can also get the distance between end projectors here. What is that? Your answer? Distance between end projectors.
$39 mm.
This one is 39. Okay, and
Yes.
what is the length of front view? It is not given. So you measure that also. So your box will be filled up. Whole box is filled up. All 10 things are clear.
65.
55 sir front view.
65.
6.5 or 5.5?
65.
65. 65.
Very good. So everyone is getting same answers. This problem is you need to draw this problem in your sheet and sketchbook also. Is there anything to worry about? It is damn easy, isn't it? It is easy or not?
Yes sir.
Okay. So now we will switch over to next topic. So this is it, theta, phi, and etc. So now we will see projection of plane. Okay. Now, plane surface, it's at time it is also termed as just plane or lamina or plate. Clear? It is a two-dimensional surface having length and breadth with negligible thickness. Your paper of your notebook is an example of plane. Understood? They are formed when three non-collinear points are joined. What does this mean? What do you mean by collinear points? You know it? If any point are there in single line, they are called
Samrek.
linear. So you won't be able to draw plane out of it. But if they are non-collinear, means one point is here, one point is here, one point is here, so that you can draw some plane out of it. Understand? This way understood what collinear points are. Did you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now planes are bounded by straight or curved line. What do I mean? This is also plane. Clear? This is also plane. 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 Got it? So, what do I mean? Then plane can be bounded by straight or curved line. Maybe either regular or irregular. What is regular and what is irregular, that we will see. Regular plane surface are in which all the sides are equal. Means this is regular plane. Understand? Now, if question is that regarding this projection of plane, first of all, which plane is that they will give us? Okay, so they write one sentence, the regular triangle of 35 mm. What does it mean? Regular triangle of 35 mm. What does that mean?
Diagonal is 35.
No, just read here. This point, you just read this point. Read this point.
So what question?
Eh? If you are told that
All the three sides are.
regular triangle of 35 mm, you are told like this, then
All the sides are of 35 mm.
All the sides are 35 mm.
correct, correct. Understand? So
Yes, sir.
it can be given like this also. Regular polygon. Chalo. Now we will talk about regular pentagon. Means
6 sides are equal.
penta. Penta is for 5.
5,
1,
sorry.
2,
5.
3, 4, and Fine, assume these all lengths are same. So this will be regular pentagon. Got it?
Yes.
You may not hear ever regular rectangle. Are you getting me?
What, sir?
You may never hear regular rectangle,
Yes.
because regular and rectangle, both things are contradicting each other. Understand?
Yes.
Very
Due
good.
to length and
Yes, yes. Okay. Now we will proceed further. Let me rub these things. Okay. आदित्य प्रसाद कहाँ गए थे भाई? Okay. So now irregular plane surface are in which the lengths of the sides are unequal. Fine. And position of the plane. Now see, now pay attention everyone. We seen projection of point. Okay. Then we seen projection of line. And now we are seeing projection of surface. And we are already seeing projections, that is orthographic projection of solid. So we started from a point, then we shifted to a line which is having number of points minimum 2, then we shifted to plane which is having minimum 2 to 3, or say closed, if it is some polygon then minimum 3 lines. Fine. And then solid. Everything will be having positions. Am I correct or not? First of all,
Yes, sir.
everyone will have position, then only
Yes, sir.
depend where it is situated. So again, this plane will be having similar cases as what we seen for line. It will be parallel to both the planes, perpendicular to one plane, inclined to both plane, etc., etc. These all are cases stands true for line, plane, and solid. We have already seen line. Okay, so these are the cases only, nothing else. So we'll directly move over what is that thing, what are the cases. Okay. Okay. See, now what is written here? A plane surface, when held parallel to a plane of projection, it will be perpendicular to other two planes. How many of you are agree to this? Read
Yes, sir.
read that sentence again. Read that sentence again. Now, can you see me? Can you see these two graph, to these
Yes,
planes?
sir.
This plane and this plane. These two are planes. Now I am having another plane. Got it? Now I will hold this plane parallel to this plane, like this. See, what is the orientation with respect to other planes? Isn't it perpendicular to this plane automatically?
Yes, perpendicular.
As well as if you see top,
Yes, perpendicular.
as well as if you see from top, it will be perpendicular to this horizontal plane also.
yes, sir.
Getting? That is what it is written in first line.
Yes.
That plane surface, when held parallel to plane of projection, it will be perpendicular to remaining two planes. Fine. Now, the view of plane surface, view of, I will now onwards speak plane only. Now you pay attention here. There is difference between plane and plane. PLAIN and PLANE. We are talking about plane. Okay, plane surface projected on the plane of projection to which it is perpendicular, it will be line. Now I will explain you this also.
You are not audible, sir.
I was not speaking. Okay, wait a minute. I just went somewhere. Okay. Now visible?
Yes, sir.
Now this is my plane. I will hold it parallel to this. Okay. Now it is perpendicular to this plane.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now if you need to see it from this direction, what you will be able to see? I will rotate it. You will be able to see as
Perpendicular
line.
line. Okay,
You
thank
will be able to see only line.
you.
Understand? Same way, if it is perpendicular to this bottom horizontal plane, then in top view, what you will be able to see?
Only line.
Only line. Very good. So that is what it is written, that the view of the plane surface projected on the plane of projection to which it is perpendicular will be a line, and that will be called line view. This you remember, that will be called line view of a plane surface. Okay. Now when the plane surface is held with its surface parallel to one of the planes, then what you will be able to see? Now before this, answer me. Instead of this plane surface, I am having a word line. Okay, when the line is held with its parallel to one of its plane, then in that plane, which kind of length you will be able to see? आंसर दो भाई. Now again, see here carefully. Can you differentiate this color first of all? This one is green color and this one is blue color.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. If the lights is okay, fine. Now I will explain you first of all first case. Now I have held this shape parallel to this blue back plane. Okay. Then you are required to view from this side. What you will be able to see?
Straight line.
Straight line. Okay, nice. Again, if it is if you want to see the top view, then what you will be able to see?
Parallel.
Again, straight line, na?
Yes,
Straight
sir.
line.
Straight line.
Parallel
Fine.
line.
And now I am holding this object parallel to this again in the same position. So what will be the projection on this plane against which I have held it parallel? Which kind of projection you will be able to see here?
Triangle.
Sorry? You will be able to see exact shape, true shape. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Same way, if it was line like this and I keep it parallel to this plane, so the projection will lead you to true length.
Yes, sir.
We have seen that whatever the object is, that object is parallel to particular plane, then projection on that plane will fetch us true length or true shape. If it is plane, then true shape. If it is line, then true length. Clear this much?
Yes, sir.
See it again if it is confusing. Now you see from this, you'll be able to see only one line. Same way here also, one line only. Got it? Okay. And similar to what we have discussed in line, when the plane surface is also inclined to any of the projection plane, then projection on that plane will be apparent. They won't be actual. Isn't it? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Now we will see few example and we will understand the same thing by that. Okay. See here what you can see. You can see a plane surface or say plane parallel to one plane and perpendicular to other. Here it is this blue triangle, dark blue triangle is parallel to which plane?
Vertical plane.
Vertical plane. So automatically it is becoming perpendicular to which planes?
Profile.
Remaining two planes, whatever it may be. In this case, profile plane and horizontal plane. Fine. Now what we have discussed by demonstration, that the same thing is here. If this is your front view, okay, I will draw arrow. You are looking it. You are looking it from this direction. Okay, your shape is parallel to vertical plane. So the projection on those plane will be, which kind of projection it will be?
True.
True shape. Here we are talking about shape. Fine.
Correct.
Now other two planes it is perpendicular. So if we see from here, what we are able to see from this direction?
Straight line.
Only a straight line. That is what it is here. If we see from top, then what we'll be able to see?
Straight line.
Again,
Straight line.
straight line only. Understand? That is what we have already discussed. These are the projections. That's front view, then is top view at bottom, and right view on left side. So which projection method is this?
First angle.
First angle. Very good, very good. So how projections are drawn here, that we will see with some other color. Okay, red, pink. Okay, pink color we are not having schematic. Fine. So these are the, first of all, true shape. It is held parallel to vertical plane. So we'll be able to see here, they are now writing VP, HP and PP. It is nice habit to write every time. So in front view, we'll be able to see exact what the shape is. Now assume that it is given that it is 30 by 30 by 30 triangle. So we can easily draw this triangle. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Then we will draw projection downwards like this from every corner. Like this. And it is given that it is away, say, 40 mm away from HP. So what we will do, we will measure 40 mm and we'll draw one line. So that thing will automatically fetch you that projection. Got it? That is the top view. Similarly, we will do for the side view also. We'll draw projection from this. We'll draw projection from this. Then we will draw these projections up to 45-degree line and we'll take it upward. So all the intersection will be that object. Got it? Clear how we got this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And the nomenclature is also that. See, you see, observe it. Front view are dashed, top view are plain, and side view are double dashed.
Sir, your screen is off.
Screen is not visible.
Visible.
No, sir.
And
It's visible, sir.
sorry.
Now visible. Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood? Understood how we solved this problem?
Yes, sir.
You just hold for a minute. I'm just joining you back. Wait a minute. Okay, clear everyone? This problem? Everyone clear this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now another thing. Now we have plane parallel to HP and perpendicular to other two planes. Okay. So where we will be able to see true shape. Did you get my answer or not? Now this orientation is given, that blue image, where it is parallel to horizontal plane. So in which view you will be able to see true shape?
Top view.
Very good.
Top view.
And in which plane you will be able to see true shape?
Horizontal.
Horizontal plane.
Very good. Now, if I change its orientation and make it parallel to profile plane, then
Side view. Front view.
no front view, it is parallel to profile plane. Then in right side view, I will be able to see the true shape projected on profile plane, isn't it?
Yes.
Sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
See, everyone, there is one basic question. We should respond immediately, whether you have understood or not. Because right now you won't clear your doubts, then it will be very difficult later on to solve individual person's doubt. If you have any doubt, discuss it right now. If I can do it, I'll immediately solve it. Or otherwise, I will work out some issue, will work out some solution. Got it? So respond immediately. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's like a good one. Okay. So how we will proceed to solve this problem? First of all, we will solve it here inside. First of all, we will draw one XY line. Got it? Now you must be given that it is how much away from HP and VP, etc. So this distance must be given to you, this distance. Okay. Then we will also draw okay. So this distance, assuming this distance is given, we will draw it here. Like this. Correct? Clear this much? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now it will be
Yes,
given.
sir.
Now it will be given also that it is how much distance away from HP. So what we will do, we will take projection of this. We will draw projection of these, and we know this it is some distance, whatever distance is away from HP, that much distance we will measure, and we will draw one horizontal line. So this is the front view. Clear? Then for side view, what we will do, we have this projection is from pink line. We have this line. Okay. What we will do, we'll project this up to this line, then we'll take it upward. Again, we will project this up to this line, and then we will take it upward, and we'll project from this leftward. So what we get here is this answer. This, and to darken the solution. That's it. This is your answer. Isn't it easy to understand and draw? Same way, if you can easily locate and project points, you will be able to locate and project lines. And if you can locate and project lines, you will be easily locate and project planes. That's it. They are in sequence only. And these three all together will help you in orthographic projection, what we are practicing daily, that without any projection we are doing it in rough. But then what we will do, we will do it with dimension and with projection in sketchbook and sheet from next week onwards. Understand? So if you are having any doubt, clear it right now. Okay, now we will name this also. This will be, what will be the names? If this is A, B, C, and D. Okay, so now name. A will come here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So that will be A dash. Then B will come here. So that will be B dash. Now, if you see it from this side, understand it clearly. You are seeing it from this side. Which side is behind?
CD.
CD line. So those two you will write down in bracket. Understand? That is nomenclature. So again,
Yes.
C will come here. It will coincide with this point, but it will be in bracket. So it will be C dash like this. And this will be D dash like this. Same way. Now we will turn this way. So when we will see from this side, okay, this direction, which is in front and which is behind?
C, CB is
AD.
B and C. B and C is in front, whereas A and D is behind. So now we will
Behind.
see this C will go from here to here, but C is in front. So we will directly write down C double dash. Okay, first of all, we'll start with A. A will come here, here, but A is back side. So it will be in bracket, A double dash. Then B. B is in front side, but coinciding with A. So it will come here, B double dash. And C we have already written, and D like this. I have limited space, hence I have written like this. Otherwise you should write like this. This is correct method. है कुछ डाउट किसी को इसमें?
no, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Next.
Hmm.
Okay, this is all that talk only what we have done. Okay, this is all this that thing only. Now another thing, interesting problem. Hope we are having time or not. It's time up.
Time up, sir.
Time up, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yes,
We
sir.
will discuss it next time. Fine.
What?
But are you understanding these all things or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will
Yes,
stop sharing. You
sir.
don't
Yes,
continue
sir.
meeting as of now. I want to convey some information. Tomorrow who is having lab? Which batch is having lab tomorrow? Which batch is having lab tomorrow?